Acoustilay is the UK's original and best acoustic underlay system. Manufactured entirely in the UK by acoustic installation experts Sound Reduction Systems, Acoustilay has been leading the acoustic flooring market for over 25 years. Manufactured in 3 formats and simple to install, Acoustilay is ideal for a wide range of projects from domestic soundproofing up to building regulations Part E compliance for separating floors and apartments. The materials used in the manufacture of Acoustilay ensure the highest quality, from the robustness of our foam and the mass of our barrier to the 2-part adhesive that ensures no delamination. You'll know it's genuine Acoustilay as every piece has our name on it. Acoustilay is supplied with a number of accessories to aid installation with a wide range of floor finishes. Sound Reduction Systems and our technical staff are members of the Institute of Acoustics. The quality of our products and the specialist advice offered position us at the very highest level in the industry. To find out more about Acoustilay or any of our acoustic products, why not give us a call, email us or request further information and samples through our website.